Hi students, so welcome to our YouTube channel, The Academic Junction. So in this video, we will be discussing all about our pre-actuarial refresher program. So basically, as the word suggests, pre-actuarial refresher program means basically it is suited for those individuals who are currently in class 11th or 12th and want to start with actuarial science. But since they are yet not aware about the concepts of maths and stats which are required for actuarial, they can take this course and broaden up their basics of actuarial maths and stats which is required, or those who have done class 12th a long time before and are yet not able to remember the concepts of class 12, they can also take this course. Basically this course takes you through all the basics of maths and 12th class 12 that we do in class 12. So all the basics of maths and stats which are required for your actuarial main exam CS1 and CS1, so this course prepares you for that. So you can directly also choose CS1 and CM1 if you feel that you are well versed with the concepts of maths and stats. You can directly go for CS1 or CM1. But if you feel that you want to revise the concepts first, or you are currently in class 11 and instead of directly going for CS1 or CM1, you first want to understand the basics which are required for pursuing this course, you can take this course. So as you can see, pre-actuarial refresher program, minimum eligibility is that students should have done class 10th with good maths. Plus this course will lay the foundation for maths and stats before your main actuarial science exams, and it is suitable for those who are not good with class 12 mathematics. Basically they want to broaden up their basics, or those who have done class 12 quite a long time before, now they want to revise their concepts. So more than 100 hours of video content is there, along with the live sessions that we will be taking on maths and stats is covered in that. Plus if you can see that if you take our CS1 CM1 CV2 combo, basically this program is complementary in that. So you can see the topics that we are covering in this program. So numerical methods, notation, algebra, differentiation, integration, vectors, matrices, permutation, combination, types of data, measures of location, measures of spread, probabilities, random variable, distribution. So all this is included in this course. Basically, it's laying the foundation for your main actuarial exams, CS1 or CM1. Although this course basically prepares you for the maths and stats, but if you guys feel that you are good with class 12 maths and you want to directly go for actuarial science main course, you can check out our main courses CS1 and CM1. But if you want a complement along with that, you can go for this pre-actuarial refresher program. So I hope this video is suitable for all those who are getting confused with respect to our pre-actuarial refresher program. Still, in case of any doubts, feel free to connect with us on the number mentioned. Thank you everyone.